Now, as we know, Canadians are being encouraged to wear face masks when they are out in the public. But we know that there's a shortage when it comes to protective gear. So one Toronto startup is doing something to help out.
We have 2,000 members who are receiving enough materials to create 10 different masks each. And so we're really excited to put together 20,000 non-medical masks. We partnered with a fabric company and worked with Michael Garron Hospital actually to come up with the design and the materials required to deliver these sewing kits.
The company Sampler normally delivers samples to people's homes. If you're taking part in this initiative, you will receive material and, most importantly, instructions on how to make a non-surgical mask, which have been approved by Michael Garron Hospital. You can either make the masks for you and your family or donate them to Envoy, who will arrange for a completely contactless pickup, and they will give them out to members of the Toronto community who work in grocery stores and shelters. Now, if you want to take a part in this initiative, all you have to do is go to sampler.io to register, and the only requirement is that you have a sewing machine.